Hey, Exit 16 friends, this is Rebecca. I'm going to be coming to you every Friday with Fun Fact Friday to give you some tips and tricks on how to feel more comfortable about selling Merrill Norman product to our clientele and to just give you some insight into the different products that you can share with your customers, which in turn will help you build your sales and make you more comfortable with the makeup side of Exit 16. As you can see, I've got the camera on our new spring collection called Merrill Norman Revival. There are two key products in this spring collection. Our first are the new plush lip liners. They come in 12 colors. The unit has 4 colors featured, and then I have tried to put either the other additional colors behind the unit or they're in the applicator cylinders on top of the unit. One of the key differences in this lip liner as opposed to the traditional ones that we had is Merrill Norman has now included a lip brush on these 12 lip liners. And these lip liners last 8 hours. They have 8 hours of wearability, which means they don't feather, flake, or crease around the lip area. And they'll even last, through eating or normal daily activities. There's 4 colors represented on the spring color line of lipsticks. And you can use this lip brush to help demonstrate the lipstick. So all you're going to do is take your lip brush and just slowly glide it across the top of your lipstick. If you use this lip brush, you're going to help our lipsticks wear better because we're not going to be chopping into them. They'll just look prettier when they're represented. And you can apply the lipstick to the customer using this brush, or if you don't feel comfortable, just hand the brush to the customer and she's going to get much better application if she's using this lip brush. And then just make sure after every use that you sanitize with either the brush cleaner or the sanitizer that's on counter. Another feature of this spring revival are the 5 liquid eyeshadows. The plush liquid eyeshadows come in 5 colors. These are buildable. And by buildable, we mean when you put on the first coat over the eyelid, it's going to be lighter. And you're going to use our concealer brush with this because it is a liquid. You need fibers that are meant for liquids, which a concealer brush is. And I'm going to show you how it looks. So that right there is the first layer, putting on just one layer. Now it's buildable. So if the customer wants more coverage, you're going to put on another layer. And this is what you get with two applications. So you can kind of see the difference there. And again, you need to use a concealer brush. Of course, at home, you can explain to them they come with a wand. So they're just going to wash it over their eye. Very quick, easy. They can get out the door. They do have a little bit of metallic to them. If you have a customer that may be more mature that doesn't want the metallic all over their eyes like the models do, they can use this just as a highlight under their brow or just in the crease as a crease color. And that is our spring collection. I'd really like to encourage everybody, because people will ask, they'll ask what you have on. Try to pick 2 products from this collection every day to wear while you're at work. You can put them on real quick once you get to work. Use a lipstick, one of the new lip liners, or just simply wash one of the new eyeshadow colors over your lid. The 2 Perf and Hugs are wonderful, just as an all over, very light. The Hugs has a little bit of a bronzy gold shimmer to it. The other thing I want to share with you today, kind of a tip and trick, and will also help you to build your sale during gift. When you're talking to a customer and you're telling them, well, if you buy 2 products, then you'll get your free gift. These are 2 great products to add to any sale. We have our eyeshadow base, which at the counter you'll see it come like this, and now it comes in a little pot. You'll put that on the lid before the eyeshadow, and it's right there. It looks white. This helps the eyeshadow to wear longer, and it helps to have a more even palette when you put it on the lid, and then the eyeshadows won't crease and won't wear off. It also prevents the oil from coming through on the skin. I'm going to show you the difference with using the base and without using the base. So the bottom one, these are the same colors. The bottom one is no base. The top one is using a base. As you can see, the color pigment is much more vibrant. It stands out on the skin, and it just gives you a very flat, even place to apply the eyeshadow. So that is our eyeshadow base, and it's only $10.50. So it's a great addition to any sale, especially if they're buying an eyeshadow. Our other product is our eyeshadow primer. It's a little bit more. It's $20.50. The difference is the eyeshadow primer has hyaluronic spheres in it, which means it helps to actually plump up the eyelid so that the eyeshadow does not go into fine lines or creases when we apply it. I'm going to show you the difference with putting the eyeshadow on top of it. Makes a very, very soft palette, very smooth palette to put the eyeshadow on. And there's it on top of that primer. Again, without primer, with primer. So that's just some fun facts for Friday for our Meryl Norman cosmetic department here at X616. And again, we're just focusing on our spring revival, the new lip liners that wear 8 hours, the new plush liquid eyeshadows. We have 5 colors. And then just tip and tricks about how to use the eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base to make your eyeshadows wear longer, crease less, and just give you a nice even palette. And also makes the color a lot more vibrant. Again, I'll come to y'all every Friday with just a little video, just some information about products that we carry at the store, and information to make things easier and more comfortable for you while you're selling. Hope you have a great Friday, and I'll see you in the store soon.